Hey YouTube family and friends, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Leek with all things LiqueTheNailGeek. Go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification. Let's get started.
How y'all doing? So today we're going to be doing an unboxing. We're going to be unboxing this that just came today. And that is the AirPod Pros. Get excited. Stay tuned. Alright. So I went ahead and got a knife and cut this open so we can actually unbox it. It's all packaged all nice. Okay, after. I see it. Ooh. So, just should have kept that knife out. Okay. You don't have to nails. After all, they're natural. Get that out my way. And here they are, yes, the AirPod Pros. Okay, it's a little arrow right here that tells you to start there. Ooh, nice. Who gets excited for new things? Who doesn't? That is my youngest, my baby.
I'm creative, boy.
Oh yeah. So, ooh, what do you have? So of course it has, you know, the typical little packaging. But it's just a manual AirPod Pro stuff.
That manual.
But this is the real deal. Check that out. See my name. That's right. Listen to this. There we go. And there they are. Oh, got a reflection of me. Huh. That's right. Can you see that? Beautiful. So ready. In the box. Well, they have extra. Looks like this is small. Yep. It says small and it says large. So the medium is already installed, which is cool. For your AirPod Pros, the earbuds. It's got a little direction too on there if you want to see. Pop them off. Because they don't have that inner hard part as the other in-ear headphones. USB-C to lightning cable. That's what came in the box as well. Lego. Alright. So, since I got this engraved with my name, which I love, and you can't feel the engravement. I know people wanted to know that. You can't really feel it. Yes, I'm trying to scratch it. You know, you can't scratch it. So far, everything is staying on there. And it has everything to do the engraving on apple.com for free if you order from them. It does take a little longer to get it, but then again, I hear it's not in the stores anyway because I tried to look. So, I did get me a case. So, I'm going to unbox it as well. It said it was clear. I will leave the link below, but it's kind of clear, but not clear. Not clear as in the idea of clear that I was thinking. Oh, that's pretty cool. It came with a $20 Amazon gift card. Didn't know that. Guess I should have opened that sooner. Oh. But I love it because it protects the actual bottom of the AirPod Pros where the charging port is, and these are wireless charging cases, which is great. And it also comes with this little handy dandy clip. So I usually clip them to my purse. I have one that actually has a lock so it can't just stamp like that, so I'll be putting it on that one. But let's slide these bad boys in to protect them. Oh, you can really see the name, which is something I was worried about. The whole point of them being clear. So right now I'm pushing the bottom part in. I like to make sure that it's in right. Sorry, that was for my son. can't reach it like that.
He's like mother, like son. See?
So you can see the name in there, which is great. And you can also see the light. My phone and get it together, and I'll show you how to connect these bad boys.
Alright, we got them open. We're going to click connect at the bottom of the phone right there. And there they are. It goes through the media and what all the transparency mode and everything does. Definitely want to do that messaging so it can tell me the messages. So I'm showing that they're definitely shorter than the other ones. So far they have not fell out. You saw that. There's my son, he's happy with his AirPods. Go ahead and like this video, comment below, and until next time, bye.